In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select the top 5 rows in Snowflake. If you're working with databases using Snowflake and you need to limit the results of your query to just a handful of rows, you're in the right place. By the end of this session, you'll find that retrieving a specific number of rows is a breeze. When working with large databases, it's often necessary to focus on just a subset of the data for analysis or reporting purposes. That's where the limit clause comes into play. The limit clause in SQL is essentially your go-to tool for restricting the number of rows your query returns. This is particularly useful when you're interested in just the top portion of your dataset without sifting through the entire database. Imagine you're dealing with a table packed with rows, and you only need to glance at the first 5 entries to get a quick overview or verify the data format. This is a common scenario where the limit clause becomes invaluable. So let's dive right in and look at how this can be done in Snowflake. First up, you'll need to start with a basic select statement. This is the foundation of your query. The select statement allows you to specify which columns of the table you're interested in. If you're looking to see everything that the table holds, writing select followed by an asterisk will return all the columns. The asterisk is a wildcard character in SQL that means all columns. So far, so good? Next, you'll need to specify the table from which you want to retrieve these rows. This is done using the from clause. Let's say your table is called your table. You would write this as from your table in your query. This connects your select statement with the table you're querying. Simple enough, right? Finally, we come to the hero of the day, the limit clause. As its name suggests, this clause puts a limit on the number of rows you want to see in your result. You simply add limit, followed by the number of rows you want, which in this case is 5. Now, tying it all together, your full query should look like this. Select from your table limit 5. When executed, this query instructs Snowflake to select all columns from your table, but caps the result set at just the first 5 rows. It's as straightforward as that. In Snowflake, this approach of utilizing the limit clause helps ensure queries are not only efficient, but also tailored to your immediate needs. Whether you are just familiarizing yourself with the data or performing a sanity check, this method is both quick and effective. And there you have it. Now you know how to seamlessly select the top 5 rows using the limit clause in Snowflake. Try incorporating this handy trick into your toolkit and see how it can simplify your data queries. Thanks for joining today's session, and happy querying.